I was coding in 5 hours this morning using Antigravity and Gemini3, and here is my conclusion. First, Antigravity is better than Cursor. For me, it's around 20% better. Second, Gemini3 is way more better than Cloud for long-term tasks. Less lazy coding occasionally happen. Third, Gemini3 is not good at discuss and reasoning. It's better at coding and following instructions. Before we dive into the details, I'll give you some background information for your reference. First, I use both Cursor and Cloud Code for 10 hours per day, every day for 2 years. And second, I'm a machine learning engineer for 7 years and started to write agent since 2024. Third, I'm the open source agent framework ConnectOnion author. And finally, I use Gemini, CLI, and Gemini 2.5 Pro, and I spend $400 as an entry user. Now let's dive into the details. I run 3 tests. The first test is OAuth to test the Gemini3's coding style. It's a real project. Yesterday I used Cloud Code to do the OAuth. OAuth is complicated. 1 shot for Cloud is not work. I use 2 shot, 3 shot. It always cannot work. When I ask it to reflection and modify the code. So I'm going to use Antigravity with the Gemini3 to make it work. As you can see, just 1 shot, finally it works. Although we can see some code is over engineering. As you can see, we have a lot of too much try catch or etc. stuffs. We can still let it fix that. Second test is about the web front end. So this is our website, right? docs.connectonion.com. What it really surprised me is 2 features. One is it is really good to connect with the browser. So notice you can ask the Gemini to screenshot, and the screenshot also finally will insert via plan and also work through. It's really convenient to ask the Gemini3 to check the screenshot and refine the design. And second is when you want to modify 10 pages, 20 pages, right? In this example, I want to modify 20 pages. I found in long-term task is way more better than Cloud Code. Cloud Code always want to create some small script to make it run. But Gemini is just honestly use read and edit tools and edit all the files. It's quite good. But when you want to push it to the limit, it still will clash. For example, I ever tried to let it to fix more pages. I give around 25 pages to fix, and finally it died in a loop. So it looped for an hour and a half, and finally didn't solve the problem and create a lot of unuseful pages. Our final test is a migration test. So basically, I use ConnectOnion is a Python framework, right? So I want to migrate from Python to TypeScript. When I implement a feature of Python, I always want Cloud Code to migrate to TypeScript. But Cloud Code each time cannot identify the correct feature to migrate. For Gemini3, it's just 1 shot to fix the problem. I guess it have a 2 part. One is the model context window is really big. Second one, the agent is really good. It can compile with the context window and a lot of functions to make it really work. So this is Gemini3 and Antigravity. Now I'm going to continue to subscribe $400 Ultra version and using the Gemini3, and I'm going to unsubscribe the Cursor. And also I want to downgrade a Cloud Code from $200 per month to $100 per month. Welcome to check our newest website to check the Cloud Code result.